how the YouTube algorithm picked up the short form videos, the long form videos, and live stream. How the YouTube platform recommends either short form video, your post, or the long form video. I've been searching this for quite a while. What exactly is responsible for viral video or virality of videos? And I found out this truth. And indeed, while I was even checking it under the policies, I still found out this particular truth reflected. So what exactly are those secret or tip one needs to know for virality of videos, post and content, any other content? All right. The first one is that it has to do with your videos. When you upload a video, the first 20 to 30 minutes matters a whole lot. For every video and for every live streams, the very first persons that YouTube will recommend your videos are not new viewers. They are not persons that are not subscribed to your channel. The YouTube recommend your videos first to persons who are subscribed to your channel, which are your subscribers. So when these subscribers, the way they react to that video will determine if the video will still get the chances to be recommended to newer viewers or to persons who are not subscribed to your channel. So what do I mean in essence? Say you have 80 subscribers. For every video that you upload, the first 30 minutes, the YouTube algorithm or the YouTube system or the YouTube platform will recommend it to the first 20 subscribers. How they behave will determine if it should push it to the next 40 subscribers and then the next 20 subscribers and so. So where the first 20 persons that it's recommended to, they don't watch. Even when they watch, they don't even stay and complete 30 seconds. Some don't even comment or like the video. Then the signal it gives to the algorithm is that this video is a low quality video. Hence, the recommendation rate will reduce. So how do one now manage this? Before I go to that, the next thing you need to know is that for live streams, the very first 20 minutes that you go online or you go live, it matters a lot. Activities of the first persons who are going to be your subscriber on that particular video matters a lot. So what is the magic now for going viral, whether in short form, your post or your live stream? For live stream, for every first persons that like your live stream, that very first 20 minutes, if you get up to 20 persons to like your video the very first 20 minutes, you have the chance to get 100 persons to view the live stream, to come up to it. And then for the next 40 minutes, where the next 20 persons like it, you have the chance to go even as much as 1,000 persons. Do you get? So that implies that when you are going live, you need persons to like your live stream or to give your live stream a thumbs up. The very first 20 minutes matters a lot. It matters a lot. And then for the long form videos, the first 30 minutes, the very first persons, if you can have as high as 10 to 20 persons to give that very video a thumbs up, you have the chance to get 100 persons to view it. And then for the very first 1 hour, if you can have up to 20 to 50 persons to like that particular video or content, then you have the chance to get up to 1,000 and above persons to view your content. For the live stream, though may not be as much as to compare to the long form videos in terms of comments, because for long form videos, comments also plays a major role, including what they type, not just them commenting, but what exactly they type, if it relates with the video. Not that there's this trick also that it plays when persons comments that are related to the video you're making on the comment box. Not that people are searching for those words when they come to watch video or any other content. So their comments can make the YouTube algorithm to pick up that your video have persons who have commented similar comments, which implies that your video is about that particular topic. So your video will now pick up and will be recommended to the person searching that particular word. So the persons, if persons comment as much as the very first 1 hour for your long form video, including your live stream, although the most is on your long form video, it will give that your video higher recommendation. It will give your video a higher recommendation. And the next one is that when persons watch, the pattern of how they watch your live stream or your long form video, including your short, also plays a role. What do I mean? When persons do not stay up to as much as 1 to 5 minutes on your live stream, it will not have high visibility. It will not be recommended that much. So what are we saying in essence? For persons who come in, you have to strive to see how to retain them, which is what we'll talk about, the retention rate. See how to retain them. And the next thing you have to strive for the long form videos, if the person watch and they go over again and watch, or they return the cursor back. Maybe they missed a particular point. What a signal to the YouTube algorithm is that this video is a high quality video, and so individuals that are watching it do not want to miss any point. They don't want to miss any point, and that's why they are watching it on loop. Which is why if you check your short form videos, when they are describing on your studio how persons watch it, they'll tell you, congratulations, persons who watch your content watched it on loop. So for persons to loop watch your video, it means your video has high retention rate. It has the chances to raise high curiosity rate, and because of that, it's a high quality video, and that's why more viewers should view the video. So what are we saying in essence? The pattern for which your videos are watched, your shorts are watched, your live stream are watched, also plays a role if your video will go viral. So I believe you have gotten this trick. So what you need to work on is to get at least 20 persons to like your video or to like your live stream or your short the very first 20 minutes to 1 hour of the video. Because after 1 hour, which I have carefully followed through on this particular video I'm talking about, I did my own research. I've carefully followed through, is that when this behavior do not take place, that's this number of persons do not like, then what will happen is that the YouTube algorithm after 1 hour will reduce the recommendation rate. In fact, to tell you how sure I am about this particular topic, because I pay close attention to my studio, whilst I was going through my studio, I found out YouTube sent me signal as to why the bigger YouTubers, why they have their videos being recommended much more than growing YouTuber, is because persons who click through and watch their content or their video, the first 20 minutes to 1 hour, is that they watched it not less than twice. That for every 100 persons who watch their content, 20 out of the 100 watch their video or their content not less than twice. And that for every 100 persons that watch their content, they get as high as 20 to 50 persons that gives the video a thumbs up. And for every 100 persons that watch their content, that they have as high as up to 15 comments on the video. And the comments are actually related. So that's why you need to strive for that point, that your content, your video should track this rate of participation, this rate of engagement on each of the content that you post on the YouTube platform. So I believe this is the topmost of secret any growing YouTuber, any YouTuber who's struggling with visibility or recommendation in terms of live stream, in terms of short form videos, in terms of the long form videos, should actually pay attention to. So if this video has been worth your time and your data, why not give this video a thumbs up? I look forward to that particular moment where this particular channel becomes your most favorite click. But for now, stay safe and see you on my next video. Cheers.